Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and gold closed around the support of 2700. So if you have any ongoing buy position, you can hold your buy right now. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, then you must be knowing that we have the oath ceremony of Donald Trump coming up on Monday. So be careful. It doesn't matter whether you trade on gold, Bitcoin, any other US dollar pair. As a trader, you need to be careful because Donald Trump brings a lot of volatility to the market. So at the time of oath ceremony, after speech, there will be some action in the market. So be careful. So if you have any ongoing position in the market, you can continue. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, it will be better for you to take or jump to the market once the oath ceremony is over, because there may be some drastic moves in the market as well, not only on the chart of gold but on any dollar pair, cryptocurrencies. So be careful. If you look at the chart of gold, this is the hourly chart, we can see the market is overall bullish. There is no doubt about it. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see the market sentiment is also okay, kind of neutral. Market is also waiting for the inauguration of Donald Trump. So I think it will be better for us to wait. So do not go for big lot sizes on Monday. Okay. And if you look at a weekly chart of gold, we can see on the weekly chart we have a spinning top kind of a pattern. Spinning top is an indecision pattern. Okay, so we can say that market is mostly waiting. Okay, and if there is any drastic move in the market, try to follow that particular trend, because if you look at the current trend of the market, then obviously the trend of the market is very much bullish. There is no doubt about it. But after the oath ceremony, if you see that there is a sudden fall on the chart of gold, then obviously you need to follow the trend of the market, because if you do not follow the trend of the market will throw us out. So do not forget, trend is our friend. It means after the oath ceremony or during the oath ceremony, if you see that there is a sudden drop on the chart of gold, instead of looking for reversals, try to go for a sell position. You need to follow the trend of the market. Or in case you see that there is a sudden drop on the chart of DXY and gold is flying, you need to go with the buy position, because following the trend of the market is the safest option. Because when news dominates, okay, nothing works, and this is a bitter reality. We need to accept it. Okay, and before the oath ceremony, if you see that there is a sudden correction in the market, technical correction in the market, and gold is going down, then obviously we can look for support around 2690, 2692, and second support is around 2675, 2678. These are the two levels where we can look for a buy position before the oath ceremony if there is a normal technical correction in the market. Already we have discussed about 269092 in a previous video. It is a support, and if it doesn't work, for example, if you see that there is a big red candle standing at 2690, obviously selling pressure is high, it will not work. In that case, you can look for buy around the second level of 2677 or 267576 area. Okay, so these are the two levels where you can look for a buy before the oath ceremony. And if you already have a buy on the chart of gold right now, if you have taken buy around 2700, you can continue with a buy position, because after the market opening, there is a possibility of further upside because market closed at a very good level. Okay, and we also discussed about buy above 2727 in a previous video. So chances of market going above 2727 is very less. Okay, so let's not waste time discussing about 2727. Okay, let's wait for the market to open. Okay, so the market opening is going to be important. Let's wait and watch. Okay, again repeating, my dear friends, overall the trend of the market is very much bullish. There is no doubt about it. But right now, the whole market is waiting for the oath ceremony of President Donald Trump. So it's better for us to wait for the oath ceremony, because there may be some drastic moves in the market. But before the oath ceremony, yeah, if market comes to a level, okay, then we can go for the trades. But it is better for us not to go for big lot sizes, because if there is a sudden move in the market, okay, our stop losses also may not work. So after the market opening, if we see gold is going down, we can look for buy around 269092 area and 2677, 267875 area. These are the two levels where we can look for a buy position. But as market close at a very nice level of 2700, okay, so further upside is possible, 40 to 50 pips around 2708, 2709. Okay, you can expect the upside to continue. And to continue the upside, at first gold needs to cross this particular level here, but I don't think so. Right at the market opening, okay, there will be too much bullishness that gold will be crossing everything. Okay, chances are very less. But yes, gold at first needs to cross 2718, then 2727. Then only we can say that finally gold is going for a uptrend again. To continue the upside, gold needs to cross 2727. As long as gold is trading below 2727, it will be a sideways market for us. Okay, and before the oath ceremony, we can expect the market to remain sideways or choppy. After oath ceremony, if market takes a particular trend, up, down doesn't matter, follow the trend of the market. And at this moment, okay, there is not much to discuss right now because if you move to a lower time frame also, for example, 15 minutes, you can see on lower time frame also, okay, we do not have much to discuss. Okay, for example, taking a sell below this area is risky because for any breakout, breakdown, volume is important. Without proper volume, it can be a false breakout. We have discussed earlier also. Okay, so let's wait and watch how does the market open. Then we will discuss again on Monday. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much, and hope we will have a better market after this after the oath ceremony. We can expect normal trading with lots of levels from Tuesday onwards. Okay, so bye bye, take care, have a lovely